Today the crew is in Sharon, Massachusetts, doing an installation job for the Mass Save program. One of the complaints we hear a lot are cold floors in the wintertime. Usually it's because the floor is over an unheated garage, or in this case, a crawl space. Now, typical of many older homes, we find that the floor cavities in these crawl spaces are completely uninsulated. As you can see that's the floor above. Imagine how cold that is in the wintertime. Now, the crew has already added fiberglass batt insulation to all of these bays. What a difference that's going to make. That's an R19, by the way, that we've added. After we're done adding fiberglass batts, the crew then applies a 2-inch layer of rigid foam insulation, which has an R value of approximately 11. Look at how nice that fits. This not only protects the insulation, it adds R value, and it also stops the wind from blowing up into the insulation, making the floor above cold. When this floor is complete, it'll have an R value of 30, which is equal to today's building codes. Best of all, most of the cost of this work was paid for through incentives and rebates offered by the Mass Save program. Energy Geeks, serving Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and nearby Connecticut. Great job, guys.